Alex can't contain his excitement as he shares his story. Imagine cutting down your work hours from 20 to just 2. I never thought I could achieve such freedom. It's all thanks to these incredible AI tools that do the heavy lifting for me. He pauses, looking directly at the camera. Today, I'll lay out the step-by-step process so you can join me in this revolution. Are you ready to transform your life? Alex asks, a spark of enthusiasm in his voice. By taking advantage of these resources, you too can unlock a lifestyle of freedom and fulfillment. It's not just about working less. It's about living more fully, enjoying time for what truly matters. Come, embark on this journey with me, and let's redefine success together. Why automate? Imagine what you could do with those extra hours. You could focus on your passions, spend quality time with loved ones, or even explore new business opportunities. By letting AI take the reins on these tasks, you reclaim your time and creativity, transforming your side hustle into a fulfilling endeavor that enhances your life rather than consuming it. You deserve that freedom. With a well-structured plan in place, you'll find that balancing your side hustle with your life becomes not only achievable, but enjoyable. Embrace the support of AI and watch as your ambitions flourish while you savor every moment. The journey to your ideal lifestyle begins now. Step 1. Content creation on autopilot. In today's digital landscape, 2 remarkable tools stand out for content creators. ChatGPT, a free version model, excels in crafting diverse written content, from engaging blog posts to catchy social media captions and product descriptions. Imagine asking it to write a 300-word Instagram caption about eco-friendly yoga mats for busy moms, and getting a thoughtful response that resonates with your audience. Meanwhile, Canva Magic Write takes a different angle by streamlining design with AI-generated text, effortlessly creating eye-catching Pinterest pins straight from your blog posts. To maximize your efficiency, consider scheduling 1 week of content in just 30 minutes using these powerful prompts. By leveraging these innovative tools, content creators not only enhance their productivity, but also craft compelling narratives that engage their audiences, ultimately fostering a stronger connection between their brand and the community they serve. Embrace technology to transform your content creation journey today. Step 2. Marketing that runs itself. As the analytics dashboard impresses us, we move on to the next remarkable tool. Predis.ai, free, takes center stage, demonstrating its capacity to seamlessly generate and schedule vibrant Instagram Reels and TikToks from your text. Picture converting an elaborate blog post into 10 engaging video scripts in just 5 minutes. This tool is a true game changer for creators aiming to boost their engagement. Your next step is to begin using Predis.ai right away. By incorporating these cutting-edge tools, you can transform your social media approach, allowing your content to not only reach, but resonate with a broader audience. It's the perfect moment to embrace the future of marketing and enhance your online presence with creativity and efficiency. Begin today and watch your engagement levels rise significantly. Step 3. 24/7 customer service. Imagine a busy customer frantically checking their phone, waiting for news about an order. With ManyChat, you can effortlessly ease their worries by setting up automated responses, like, "Your order is on the way." By simply installing ManyChat, you can enhance customer experience using technology efficiently. Now, let's explore how to implement this. After installation, navigate to the settings to configure your auto-replies. By tailoring these automated messages to common inquiries, you'll not only save time, but also foster trust and satisfaction with your customers. Embrace the power of AI chatbots to transform your communication and watch your engagement grow exponentially. Efficient customer support leads to happier clients and increased loyalty. Step 4. Project management made easy. Trello and Butler streamline your workflow by automating tasks, which means you can focus more on actual work rather than managing it. For instance, with a simple command like, "When I add graphic design card, assign to Sarah and set due date 3 days out," the automation takes over, ensuring everyone is informed and on schedule. On the other hand, Notion AI excels in organizing your thoughts. It transforms meeting notes into actionable items. By implementing these tools, you're not just saving time, but also enhancing team productivity and clarity. Embrace automation in your daily routine and notice the significant impact it has on your workflow and efficiency. Take the leap and automate that repetitive task this week. Success story, from 40 hours to 4. Priya's journey transformed from overwhelming hours to a streamlined operation, allowing her creativity to flourish. With just 4 hours a week, she focused on crafting unique pieces and expanding her collection, doubling her income effortlessly. With these newfound hours, Priya embraced new design techniques. Ultimately, Priya's success story demonstrates how innovation and effective automation can lead to a fulfilling work-life balance. By optimizing her time, she not only enhanced her craft, but also inspired others to break free from the constraints of traditional business models. Your 30-day automation roadmap. In the first week, the focus was on automating content using the powerful combination of ChatGPT and Canva, ensuring efficiency and creativity in designing engaging visuals. In the second week, attention turned to setting up marketing. As we moved into the third week, the emphasis shifted to launching customer service bots with ManyChat, enhancing user interaction and response times, making customer support more effective and accessible for everyone. Finally, in the fourth week, we streamlined projects using Trello and Notion for comprehensive organization and collaboration. 1. Like if you want more free AI tool breakdowns. 2. Comment, automate for my cheat sheet. 3. Subscribe for next week's AI Money Machines episode. Your future self will thank you for starting today.